Hey Fit Fam! Welcome back to Wise Wellness Wisdom, your go-to source for all things health, wellness, and a sprinkle of quirky humor. Today, we're diving deep into the secret world of artery-friendly foods. And trust me, you won't want to miss this. But first, let me hit you with a story that's not only hilarious, but also sets the tone for a heart-healthy journey. So, picture this. I'm at the gym pumping iron like I'm auditioning for a superhero movie. Mid-lift, a fitness guru appears out of nowhere and challenges me to a plank off. Little did they know, I've been practicing my plank like an Olympic sport. Spoiler alert, I crushed it. Now, what does this have to do with artery-friendly foods? Well, just like preparing for unexpected gym battles, we need to fuel our bodies with the right stuff. Let's talk about that. Now that we're all pumped up, let's get serious about our heart health. Arteries are like the highway of our circulatory system, and certain foods can turn them into express lanes. Buckle up, Fit Fam, because we're about to speed into the science of it all. Berries. Our first heroes on this heart-healthy quest. Packed with antioxidants, they're like the superheroes of the fruit world, fighting off inflammation and oxidative stress in your arteries. Drop a comment below and let me know your berry of choice. Are you team blueberries, strawberries, or rocking with raspberries? I'm curious to know. Here's a fresh one for you. Why did the bicycle fall over? Because it was too tired. Get it? Alright, enough with the really good jokes. Let's pedal back to our heart-healthy journey. Omega-3 fatty acids, the unsung heroes in our heart saga. Found in fatty fish like salmon and mackerel. They're like the defenders of your artery, keeping blood pressure in check and preventing those pesky clots. If you're enjoying this heart-pumping content, smash that subscribe button. It's like giving your fitness journey a turbo boost. And who doesn't want to level up their health game? Nuts. Not just for squirrels. Almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are like the crunchy guardians of your artery, armed with healthy fats, fiber, and vitamin E. Quick break. Comment below your favorite nutty snack. Are you munching on almonds or rocking the walnut vibes? Let the nut wars begin. Now, let's add some variety to our heart-healthy feast. Avocados. The green wonders packed with monounsaturated fats, potassium, and folate. They're like the smooth operators of the fruit world. Broccoli. Our veggie hero, rich in vitamin K and fiber. It's like the bodyguard of your arteries, keeping things in check and preventing damage. Dark chocolate. Yes, you heard it right. Dark chocolate in moderation is a sweet treat loaded with antioxidants, improving blood flow and heart health. It's like dessert for your arteries. And there you have it, Fit Fam. A feast of artery-friendly foods to keep your ticker in top form. If you enjoyed this adrenaline-packed journey, hit that like button, share it with your fitness buddies, and don't forget to subscribe for more workouts for your mind and body. Until next time, stay sweaty, stay smiling, and keep those arteries flexing.